p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 7 miles northeast of Henderson, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Panola County in northeastern Texas, east central Rusk County in northeastern Texas, until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a tornado-producing storm was located 8 miles southwest of Tatum, or 11 miles northeast of Henderson, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Beckville around 2:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Panola and Rusk. The tornado warning